Hello everyone, 안녕하세요. Today I want to share some example sentences using the word 얼굴, which means face in Korean. Let's take a look. 얼굴이 너무 예뻐요. Your face is so pretty. 얼굴에 뭐가 묻었어요. There is something on your face. 묻다 means to be stained or to be smeared, so literally it means something has been smeared on your face. 얼굴이 피곤해 보여요. The face looks tired. 얼굴을 자주 마사지하면 좋아요. It is good to massage your face often. 얼굴을 보니 기분이 좋아졌어요. Seeing your face made me feel better. 얼굴이 잘생겼어요. The face is handsome. That's it for today. I hope these sentences help you learn how to use the word 얼굴 in different contexts. See you next time. 다음에 또 봐요.